Hello everyone, myself Sai Prasad, Alexander Ahlaved High School and the Junior College. Welcome to a series of the lectures of 10th class maths. We started our discussion with progressions in our previous session. What did we learn in that? We have seen the basic structure of a AP, right? What was that? First term, nth term, right? What was the first term? A. What was the common difference? D. Which is the difference between the consecutive terms? That is nothing but a2 minus a1 or a3 minus a2 and so on, right? And on the same lines, nth term will be always given by a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay. In the last session at the last, we have filled a table a, n, d and an. With these 4 columns, if any one of the variable is not given, we have found out the unknown variable. Based on that, let us solve a particular terms for different APs. Okay. Shall we start? Fine. See here, the question given here it is, he is asking us to find 30th term of an AP. What is given? 30th term bole to n ka value 30. First of all, from this, what is first term? 10. What is second term? 7. Okay. What is common difference? A2 minus A1, that is 7 minus 10, that is minus 3. This is my A and this is my D. This is my D and this is my A. Is it right? Fine. What is the value of n given? N is 30. Now tell me, what is the formula? An is A plus n minus 1 into D, that is A30 is, what is A? 10 plus n is 30 minus 1 into what is D? Minus 3. Is it right? That is 10 plus 29 into minus 3, that is equal to 10 minus 9 3s are 27, 3 2s are 6, 7, 8. Is it fine? 10 minus 87 is minus 77 is my answer. Did you understand? What is that we have to remember? Nth term ka formula. And you have to remember the notation also. What is A, what is N, what is D. Without knowing that, we can't even solve it. Is it clear? Now check here. He is asking us to find number of terms in AP. Okay. Let us check how do we find number of terms. We have to find N. Okay. Where what is first term? 7. What is second term? 30. What is the common difference? A2 minus A1, that is 13 minus 7, that is 5. Is it right? 5 or 6? It is 6. Is it fine? And the next nth term is given as 205. Just substitute the value, substitute the formula and let us find the value of n. Is it okay? What is an ka formula? A plus n minus 1 into D, that is 205. What is A? 7 plus n minus 1 into what is D? 6 is 205. Okay. Now let us simplify. 7 plus 6n minus 6 is equal to 205. 7 minus 6 is 1 equal to 205. 6n is 205 minus 1, 6n is 204. And the next, what is the value of n now? N is 204 by 6. Just cancel it. Tell me, 2 3s are 2 1 0 2s are. Right? And the next, 3 1s are 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. Answer n is 34. That is 34th term is 205. Therefore, number of terms is 34. Is it clear? What is the variables given here? A, D, An. A, D and N is given. He is asking us to find An. Here, A is given, D is given, An is given. We have found out the value of N. Clear? Shall we move on to the next problem? Let's do. Now see here. Here also the same question. Which term of AP is 78? That is, इसमें से 78 is some number. That is, I don't know what is that. N is 78. I have to find the value of N. Same as the previous question, right? Fine. What are all given here? That is A is given as 3, and next let us write A2 also. A2 as 8. What is D? The difference between second and first term. 8 minus 3 is 5. Right? And the next AN is given as 78. I have to find the value of N. Okay? What's the formula for AN? A plus N minus 1 into D, that is 78. What is A? A is 3 plus N minus 1 into, what is D? D is 5, that is equal to 78. Is it okay? 3 plus N into 5 is 5N minus 1 into 5 is 5, that is equal to 78. 3 minus 5 is minus 2. 5n minus 2 is equal to 78. 5n is equal to 78 plus 2, that is 5n is 80. N is 80 by 5. N is 16. Therefore, 16th term is 78. Is it right? Is it not easy to solve? Yes. What is the thing they gave? They gave A, they gave D, they also gave AN, and we have found out the value of N. Is it right? Let us check the next question. He is asking us to check whether minus 150 is a term of this AP. How do we check? Right? Let us assume this is some nth term. Let us check what is the value of N. Okay. Now see what is given here. Given is A as 11, A2 as 8. Right? What is the common difference? Common difference is second term minus first term, that is 8 minus 11, that is minus 3. Okay. Now let us assume AN as minus 150. Okay. From this let us try to find out the value of N. Let us check what do we get as N. What is AN? A plus N minus 1 into D. Okay. What is A? A is 11 plus N we don't know. What is D? D is minus 3, that is equal to minus 150. Let us multiply this. 11 minus 3N minus into minus plus 3 is equal to minus 150. Here 11 plus 3 is 14 minus 3n is equal to minus 150. Minus 3n is minus 150 minus 14, that is minus 164. This is minus 3n. From this n is equal to minus 164 by minus 3. Minus minus cancel. Let us check whether this 164 will get divided by 3 or not. Just add 6, 10, 11. Is it getting divided by n? No, right? By 3? No, right? Which means this is not a proper number, that is not a rational number, or else you can directly tell it as this is not a natural number. Since n does not belongs to a natural number, minus 150 is not a term of given AP. Is it right? What do you mean by that? Whenever we count it as 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? We will never count it as 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 2 by 3. Isn't it? That is a basic thing here. Is it clear? Did you understand? Shall we move on to the next problem? Let's do. Look at the question here. The question given here it is, he is asking us to find 31st term of an AP whose 11th term is 38 and 16th term is 73. From here, just remember, whenever you solve a problem from AP, remember that he will give definitely two conditions. Okay, you have to find two conditions in order to find the value of A and D. Okay, just check it here. What did we try to understand? He is asking us to find 31st term. Given A11 is 38, right? He gave 11th term as 38, right? And the next A16 is 73. A16 is 73. ओके, एन का फॉर्मूला क्या है? a plus n minus 1 into d. Is it right? What is n here? N is this term, suffix. Similarly here also it is 11. A11 is a plus 11 minus 1 into d is 38. Here also a plus 16 minus 1 into d is 73. Fine. What is this? 11 minus 1 is 10d, that is 38. Here a plus 15d, that is 73. From now just remember that A11 will be a plus 10d, A16 will be a plus 15d. Is it okay? Similarly, if it is A99, that will be a plus 98d. Okay, let us take it as equation 1, let us take it as equation 2. Just subtract it. 2 minus 1, a plus 15d is equal to 73, a plus 10d is equal to 38. Just subtract it. Minus minus minus, a cancel, 15 minus 10 is 5d. Okay, and here 73 minus 38 is 35. Okay, then what is the value of d? 35 by 5, that is 7. D value is 7. Let us substitute this. Substitute d equal to 7 in any one of the equation. Let us substitute in 1. A plus 10 into 7 is equal to 38. A plus 70 is equal to 38. A is equal to 38 minus 70. How much is it? A is minus 35. Okay. What is he asking us to find? A 31. Okay. That is A 31 is minus 35 plus 31 into 7. Is it right? A31 is a plus 30d. Okay, that is minus 35 plus 7 3 is a 21. 210 minus 35. How much is it? 175. This is my 31st term of a given AP. Right? What is this method? Tell me. This is our elimination method. From where did we learn this? From our previous chapter, pair of linear equation in two variable. Right? The only thing is you have to identify what is the condition given and how to write it in this formula form. Fine. Let us see the next question. He gave 17th term of an AP exceeds 10th term by 7. बोले तो 17th term 10th term से 7 ज़्यादा है कहते. Okay, what do you mean by that? That is, let us write the statement here. That is, 17th term is 7 more than 10th term. Is it fine? Is it right? Yes. What is the formula of 17th term? A plus 16d. Just remember that from here, or else you can even write it as a plus 17 minus 1 into d. Everything is okay. Okay, fine. Here 7 plus a10 is a plus 9d. Okay, let us bring these variables this side. A plus 16d minus a minus 9d equal to 7. We have brought this a and 9d this side. Okay, now here a got cancelled, right? And 16d minus 9d, how much is it? That is 17d, that is 7d, that is 7. D is equal to 7 by 7. The value of d, which is common difference, that is 1. Right? Is it not easy to understand? What is the thing you have to remember? Only an formula. Isn't it? Without this formula, can we solve these many problems? Fine. Shall we do one more problem? Let's do. Just look at the question here. The question given here, it is determine AP. That is, we have to find at least 3 to 4 terms. We need not find all the terms of AP. Whose third term is given as 16, first condition, and 7th term exceeds 5th term by 12. That is second condition. Hope you can identify, right? Fine. What is given? That is given third term is 16 and one more condition is seventh term exceeds fifth term by 12, right? Now tell me what is this formula? An ka formula is a plus 3 minus 1 into d is 16. Here a plus 7 minus 1 into d equal to a plus 5 minus 1 into d plus 12. Okay, that is nothing but a plus 2d is 16. Here a plus 6d, that is equal to a plus 4d plus 12. Okay, let us bring all these variables to one side. This will be a plus 6d minus a minus 4d equal to 12. A got cancelled, 6d minus 4d is 2d. The d is 12 by 2, that is equal to 6. Let us say this as equation 1. Bring this d and substitute in this. Why? In order to get the value of a. Substitute d equal to 6 in first expression, that is a plus 2 into 6 is equal to 16, that is a plus 12 is 16, from which a is equal to 16 minus 12, that is a is equal to 4. We got the value of d and a. What are the first three terms? A, we got it as 4. Next term is a plus d, that is 4 plus 6, that is 10. A plus 2d, 4 plus 2 into 6, 2 6 are 12, 12 plus 4 is 16. A plus 3d, that is 4 plus 3 into 6, that is 4 plus 6 3s are 18, 22 and so on. Okay, at least 4 terms are enough. Therefore, the AP is 4, 10, 16, 22 and so on. Is it right? What is that we have to remember here? First thing is try to understand the question, right? He'll definitely give two conditions. There will be some kind of hint, you have to identify it. Fine? See here, the next question. Find the 20th term from the end of AP. How do we find? This is a twisting question, right? Yes. Piche se 20th term. That is, can I consider this as first term? Okay. But if I say, if my common difference is adding from left side, obviously from here it will reduce. That is, it has to subtract. Yes or no? Now see here, from front. Okay. From starting, what is A? 3. What is D? 8 minus 3, that is 5. Okay. Let us write the same thing from ending. Okay. From ending, what is the first term? 253. What is the common difference? I already told, if we are going from the first, if the common difference is adding, if I coming from the back, the common difference will subtract. Isn't it? Yes, very nice. Which means he is asking us to find 20th term from the end, which means we are going to consider from this set. A is given, D is given, N is also given as 20. Okay, just find the value of 8n, A plus n minus 1 into D, that is A20 is 253 plus 20 minus 1 into minus 5. Is it right? That is 253 plus 19 into minus 5, that is 253 minus 19 5s is 95. Just subtract it. 253 minus 95 is 158. This is my 20th term, that is therefore 20th term from end of AP is 158. Is it right? Is it not easy? Once again check here. From the starting of AP, the first term is 3. Okay, and the common difference is 3 को 5 add करे तो 8, 8 को 5 add करे तो 13. That is, from left side we have to add the common difference. What about from the right? That is, we have to subtract it. Okay, That's why I have taken A as 253 and D as minus 5 and N as 20, and we have found the value of A20, which is 28th term from the end of AP is 158. Is it clear this problem? Hope you understood. Fine. Okay. In the next session, we will solve more problems of this nth term of an AP. Clear? Fine. This is for today. Let us meet in the next session with the more problems of arithmetic progression. Thank you.